Pulla is enjoying here. It's so nice to be inside because it's so bad weather out here. It's still windy, but we actually came to this end of this one fjord, and what a views! We have 2 waterfalls or 3 waterfalls around us, and 1 kilometer, actually 1.3 kilometer high mountains just beside us. Grey stone, and yeah, it's rainy weather, but still it doesn't matter because yeah, place looking so awesome.
There's no houses around us or other camper vans, so we can just smoke this bad boy and let the heat come inside of a camper van. It's 6 degrees outside, no 5. Oh my god, look. Disgusting. Norwegian summer. Yeah. But
yes,
still better than the heat wave.
Yes. Let's heat up the van with the wood stove or keep the heat and enjoy the views and just relax for tonight.
We do have these big logs if we want to make a fire outside, but they don't fit our wood stove. So we have these tiny little perfect size.
Chimney head is made for storms, so it actually drafts better when it's windy. That's good.
I'm a fire starter. Twisted fire starter. Cozy in a van.
Sometimes it's the small things that makes you happy. Pulla pooped. Yeah, Pulla has panicked actually because of this bad winds. So now he finally pooped after 1 day of not pooping.
Cold.
So cold.
Yes. Mycket kallt. There's a huge storm around us and our van is shaking a lot, and there's like slush now raining. It's so cozy to be here in the next to the wood stove that gives us warmthness. We kind of went to bed early and we just admire this really bad storm. And our dogs, our tiny little doggies, they are a bit scared of the wind and scary noises, so we try to comfort them.
Really windy, they don't like it at all. So Pulla is afraid of the high winds or the noises that it makes. Pulla is always he reacts to all weird noises.
This panicky guy. Not liking it. Too much weird sounds.
There is a fjord, and after the fjord, approximately 1 kilometer that way, there is an open ocean. So the winds are actually blowing straight from the open ocean. That's why it's so bad in here.
Quite a good draft with this wind.
If you have used wood stove, you know that the heat in the wood stove is totally different than in electrical heating or gas heating. It's still almost no sunset, so it will be this bright until the morning time. Yes, good night everyone.
It's not raining anymore! Woo!
a tiny problem. It seems like our shower has some kind of leak, but we have not used the shower. So the water leak probably comes from this faucet that we have been using. Now I will just drain the extra water with the paper and we will drive to another place and Joni starts doing some diagnostics.
That needs to be done, but now it's just us driving to the next place in this rain. Couple of bonus things here. You can get cod easily from here, and also there's dolphins around this area. Actually seen like 2 days ago. So we can see dolphins. And for extra bonus, vossen.
I took extra stuff from our bathroom away, so we are going to open this cabinet and see if there's a leak, because the faucet itself does not leak.
Okay, we have been now some diagnostic about the water, where it comes from. Now we know that it doesn't come from the water taps or water pipes, because they are all dry. We know that the window is not leaking, and we know that the drainage from the bowl is not leaking. So we have now only left shower pan or the vent of the toilet. Next thing that we have to actually check is the toilet and toilet plumbings, if it comes from there. If we don't find it and it keeps leaking, then we need to take the whole shower pan off, toilet off, and watch where the leakage is. My guess after this investigation is that it's a shower pan drainage. It's actually leaking around it. Also the crack that is there, that definitely don't leak, because there's a duct tape that is totally okay. It's not broken. After we have been told everything about, we can actually surely say that it's a shower pan. This first drainage over here. Toilet plumbing didn't leak at all. There was no leak. Actually, we saw the whole area of between the wall and the layer of the van. It was totally dry. So there's no leak. It's here on this side of the shower pan. So it's that. I don't know how that is built. Is there some inner drainage that goes there, or does it go directly underneath the van? I have to check up. But yeah, there's the problem. Not that good thing, but it's not like catastrophic, because our floor is actually keeping the water. Let's think about the solutions, what we can do. I don't know if this is a torsk, maybe. Again, different kind of fish. I don't know which fish these are. That's too small. I think this is a cod. eat. Have to get to the shore. It was actually quite small, but we can get just fillets that fit to our pan. And those fillets are not nice fillets because I'm using my knife that I have been using more to hack firewood than using as a knife. But yeah, we got 2 fillets out of the fish and now we can enjoy it. And
fish.
yes, only way of pork we have eaten before this was from freezer, those blocks. So this is a brand new experience for us. Everyone has told actually to say pork from here freshly is totally different taste. So let's see. But this is really nice way of traveling, and I have been always wanted to come to Norway or North Norway to fish here. I don't know about fish or fishish or fishing or anything, but it's fun still.
And you are pretty good at it.
Yes.
We got our tummies full of fish every time.
Watch again a YouTube video how to make a good pork fillet, and it worked. So YouTube is always giving us new skills. Smells like pollock. Tastes like so much better. Nothing like pollock. More like ahven. Little bit of bass, I don't know why. Good. I like it. If we get more pollock, I will actually take it to the shore and eat it. Yeah, we have been actually sheltering the rain here on this place a couple of days. And what we have done, editing some videos and also fishing. I actually got my first big cod, I think 4 kilos or so. It was a huge one. And I also got some trouts and pollock we ate actually. It was interesting taste. We went for short walks when it paused on raining and then came back to the van. And this is really good place to fish also, because you can get a lot different kind of fish, and there is a bite on every 5th throw. So you can get really nice experience of fishing in Norway. Yeah. And the place itself, it's quite unique. I think it's something like an old dock or something, and now it's abandoned, so it can be used for wild camping. Norway on its worst is really good for us, so it doesn't matter which is the weather. We just enjoy the time here. And from our back windows it feels like you are in some kind of boat, because you can see only the sea. Yeah, the fog is kind of hard because there is one village on the other side of that bay, and we have seen it once for maybe 2 minute time. So that's dense the fog is here on Norway. And sometimes those big mountains over there, they are completely behind the fog. But I think it's really nice because again we always experience new things. In Finland we don't have these kind of fogs, so it's pretty nice. And the tidal wave in here, it rises approximately 2 meters. I don't know if there's some local differences on different fjords, how much the tidal wave will rise the water, but here it's a lot. Like it wets almost our tires of van, and its lowest, it's like somewhere there. Yeah, strange things. It still puzzles me, like in mind, that amount of water actually can move a couple of times a day. Constant moving. That's mind-blowing.
Historical moment. first time in years we are totally running out of water. No! So we are going to Samaro now and get more fresh drinking water.
And we have actually collected water from the river to wash our dishes. So
Yeah.
it was 25% like 2 days ago, and we decided that we will live with that 25% for 2 days.
Yeah.
And we did it.
We are portioning our water usage and we have been going swimming in the ice cold seawater, so it helps not to use the shower. And because of the heavy rain, we have not used the river water for our drinking water, but otherwise we could easily drink that. Now we are a little bit cautious because it has been heavy rains and there might be some extra bacteria in the drinking water.